In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank to PayPal on your iPhone and get your account verified. Start by opening the PayPal app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you manage more than one, take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right one before you proceed. A stable internet connection and the latest version of the app will help everything go smoothly. From the main screen, tap Wallet. This is where all your payment methods live and where you'll add a new one. Next, choose Banks and Cards, then tap Add New. When you see the options, select banks to begin linking a bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Fill in the bank name, the bank code, your account number, and the account holder name. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your bank records. The bank code might be called a routing number, sort code, or something similar depending on your country. If you're unsure, check your bank's official website or your bank statement. Double-check the account number and name for any typos. Accuracy here prevents delays later. When you're ready, tap Link Your Bank and follow the prompts on screen. You may be asked to complete a quick security check through your bank to confirm you're the account owner. Keep the app open and avoid switching away while this is in progress. If the app gives you specific instructions, follow them step by step until you return to PayPal. Now head back to Wallet. You should see your bank listed. At first it may appear as pending while PayPal completes its checks. If you're prompted to verify your identity, submit the requested documents in the app. Typically, this includes a government-issued ID, a selfie for a quick match, and sometimes proof of address. Use clear, well-lit photos, and make sure the details on your documents match the information on your PayPal account. If something doesn't match, update your account details before resubmitting to avoid rejections. Once your bank is confirmed and any identity documents are approved, your account status will show as verified. This usually unlocks higher sending and withdrawal limits and helps prevent interruptions when you transfer money. Processing times can vary depending on your bank and region, so check back in Wallet if it doesn't update immediately. That's it. You've linked your bank, followed the prompts, submitted documents if asked, and your account will show as verified once everything is approved. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother PayPal experience on your iPhone.